How to check password on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be covering the topic that says how to check password on Roblox. And here to tell you upfrontly, Roblox does not provide a direct option to check password of your Roblox account through the app. But don't worry, there is a roundabout ways through which you can check your Roblox account password. So here, without any further ado, let's get started with that step. So here, what you can do is simply open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on Google. And now here, once you are inside this section, what you can do is just tap on All Services tab, which can be seen at the top. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on the option labeled as Autofill with Google. And now here, once you are inside this section, what you have to do is just tap on Google Password Manager. And now here, once you are inside this section, you simply have to scroll down and search for the Roblox. And here, once you've found that, you simply have to tap on it, and on the next section you may need to verify your identity using your phone password, pin, or fingerprint. So here simply do that, and once verified, your saved password will be there on the next page, like here as you can see. So here what you can do is simply copy your password and use it to log in to Roblox on any device, and make sure to store it safely and update it if needed. And with that being said, only use Google Password Manager on your personal devices and never share your password with others to keep your Roblox account safe. And that's it. That's how you can check your Roblox password. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.